Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we have 3 plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 divided by 3. We first of all solve our exponent, which is 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2 will give us 9. Then we bring 3 plus 2 times 9 divided by 3. So 3 plus 2 will give us then 5. Then 5 times 9 divided by 3. 5 times 9 will give us 45. Then 45 divided by 3 will give us 15. So what if I say 15 is the wrong answer to this question? Because we did not follow the order of operation. In the order of operation, we have PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right. So in this expression, first of all solve our exponent. We take our exponent, then our multiplication, division, and addition. We don't have a parenthesis and a subtraction in this expression. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we are going to solve our exponent. Our exponent is 2 raised to the power of 2, which is also the same as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. We bring 3 plus 2 times 9 divided by 3. So 2 times 9 will give us 18. 18 divided by 3, then we bring our 3 here, then 3 plus 18. So 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. Then we bring our 3 here, which is 3 plus 6 will give us 9. 9 is the right answer to this expression. Please, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.